From The Stinky Cheese Man and Other Fairly Stupid Tales by Jon Scieszka Lane Smith, The Princess and the Bowling Ball. Once upon a time there was a prince, and this prince's dad and mum, the king and queen, somehow got it into their royal heads that no princess would be good enough for their boy unless she could feel a pea through 100 mattresses. So, it should come as no surprise that the prince had a very hard time of finding a princess. Every time he met a nice girl, his mum and dad would pile 100 mattresses on top of a pea and then invite her to sleep over. When the princess came down for breakfast, the queen would ask, "How did you sleep, dear?" And the princess would politely say, "Fine, thank you." And the king would show her the door. Now this went on for 3 years, and of course nobody ever felt the pea under 100 mattresses. And then one day the prince met the girl of his dreams. He decided he'd better do something about it, so that night, before the princess went to bed, the prince slipped his bowling ball under the 100 mattresses. When the princess came down for breakfast the next morning, the queen asked, "How did you sleep, dear?" And the princess said, "Well, this may seem odd, but I think you need another mattress. I felt like I was sleeping on a lump as big as a bowling ball." The king and queen were satisfied. The prince and princess were married. And everyone lived happily, although maybe not completely honestly, ever after. The end.